My name is Tara Joy. Today we're going to create an anti-fungal skincare serum. You will need a 2-ounce bottle, tinted glass, and this one has a dropper lid. Eucalyptus oil soothes irritated skin. It relaxes the mood, opens the sinuses, it's antibacterial. It even repels insects. We will need 20 drops of eucalyptus oil. Rosemary oil is anti-inflammatory, contains antioxidants. It stimulates cognitive function, improves memory, performance and quality. It boosts alertness, increases intelligence and focus. You will need 20 drops. Clove Essential Oil is antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic. We will use 10 drops of Clove Essential Oil. Lemon essential oil is antibacterial, antiviral, is a source of antioxidants. We will use 15 drops of lemon essential oil. Lavender essential oil is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. It heals minor burns and bug bites. It is also useful for anxiety, insomnia, restlessness, and depression. It's a very calming oil. It also reduces pain. We will need 25 drops of lavender. Witch hazel soothes inflammation, injury, and irritation. We need half of a teaspoon. Sunflower oil is anti-inflammatory. It lowers skin redness, it softens the roughness, it decreases inflammation, and enhances the development of new skin. We will pour enough in our bottle up to the edge of where the neck of the bottle starts. To mix our formula, we tap it gently against the palm of our hand until we see bubbles are forming. This is the beginning of the mixing of our formula. We just keep tapping until the clearness is gone, and then it looks cloudy inside the bottle. So when it is cloudy and the bubbles are dispersed, we know that we have mixed it well. Store your unused serum in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and happy healing.